Construction work continues to progress across Camp Nou, with multiple areas of the stadium active at the same time. Structural elements, prefabricated components, facade systems, and interior works are all moving forward in parallel. We begin this walkthrough in the Tribuna area. There is noticeable activity inside the stadium. Cranes are operating within the structure, lowering and positioning different prefabricated elements. A large number of prefabricated seating units and staircases can be seen stored and recently delivered in this area. Some of these elements are temporarily placed near the diamond before being installed in their final locations within the third tier. The third-tier structure in Tribuna continues to advance at a solid pace. While some lifting platforms are currently stationary, structural work is still ongoing, with remaining beams and components yet to be lifted and secured. The lateral side remains one of the most advanced and visually impactful areas of the stadium. Installation of the Lamas continues to advance across multiple sections of the stadium. Several sectors already show completed rows, while adjacent areas are being prepared with support structures and anchoring systems. The alignment and spacing of the Lamas are clearly defined, giving shape to the stadium's future facade. In parallel, work continues on connecting remaining sections, with lifting platforms and cranes actively supporting installation. Before we move ahead, if you're a Barca fan, subscribe to the channel for the latest Camp Nou construction update. In the diamond area, the overall layout remains stable with no major structural changes since the last update. The supports for future glass panels are already installed along the lateral sides. At the rear of the diamond, progress is visible in interior wall systems, where plasterboard panels appear to have been added, covering previously exposed insulation. This indicates advancement toward enclosed interior spaces such as commercial or service areas. At the south goal, a significant development is now visible. Horizontal supports for the louvers have started to be installed along the structure. These supports will later form the base for the false ceiling and external louver system. This marks the opening of a new installation sector, with the system gradually extending toward Tribuna. Diagonal anchoring points are also being installed on the pillars, which will later connect to the main louver framework. Several pillars in this area are still under active construction. Some are fully concreted, while others are being worked on using formwork and lifting platforms. This signals that certain structural zones are reaching a more advanced finishing stage. Rock wool insulation has been placed along the upper horizontal zones, while lower sections are being prepared for glass installation. This layered system matches what has already been completed in other areas of the stadium. At the north goal, new progress is now visible. Workers have begun installing anchoring points for the louver system on the main beams. Although this area has traditionally been quieter, the appearance of these supports confirms that facade preparation is now expanding here as well. Once the anchoring phase is complete, louver installation can follow. That's all for today's Camp Nou construction update. If you found this update helpful, hit the like button first. Subscribe to Camp Nou Vision and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.